Star Wars #1 is definitely a book you need to think through for a couple of really good reasons. It's definitely a key. Everybody wants it. That book is incredibly liquid. It sells all the time, but the math is kind of funky and you could cost yourself a lot of money or lose out on making a bunch of money if you're not thinking through the problem. Get your lizard brain under control and hang with me for the next 30 seconds and I'll explain using some data. All right, this is the book in question, Star Wars #1 from 1977. These are some values from cover price. We're going to discount the 9.8s for a moment. Tell me what you think is interesting about all of these numbers right here, ranging from 9.4 down to 1.5. It doesn't really fall off a cliff until you get down to like a trash copy. But here's what's really interesting. Something very similar happens over here in the graded copies. The price for these books really doesn't topple at all. So if you compare these prices to the raw prices, you can see that it kind of doesn't make any sense whatsoever to grade your book unless it's an extremely high grade. When you see those prices kind of globbed all together like that in both raw and in graded copies, it's telling you really two things. Number one, there's not a ton of value in getting that thing graded. You might as well sell it raw. The second thing that it tells you is that this book is extremely popular. People want it. It sells all the time, and you can sell it raw just as easily as you can graded. If you happen to have one of those 35-cent variants, you need to call me.